Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Kia Carnival EX, stock reference number 4128. This shape runs from the first month 2006 and is the current shape. It has a G6EA 2.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. G6EA 2.7 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right front and the left front. It's fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has multiple small dents and a few light wobbles. Left rear door has 2 palm dents and some light wobbles. Left rear, 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got a tidy bumper cover apart from the park sensors have been removed. Tailgate appears to have 1 small dent and a light crease. It's fitted with a factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent and a few light wobbles. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. We've got the centre console, drink holder, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, a left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.